Wow, Priscilla was spotted unboxing some of her baby things. No be small thing, oh. Sweet, sweet, adorable baby things ranging from matching cap, mom and dad, stroller, like so many beautiful things for baby Rakim. Oh, congratulations to them once again. No, congratulations to Juma Juice and Priscilla once again. This baby is going to enjoy life like say tomorrow no day. She was happy doing all the unboxing. Hey, meanwhile, baby Kambala is here already. Hey.